Small update on World Mobile and Empowa.
Hey guys, just a small video update today. We'll look a bit at World Mobile, how they're doing. Look a bit at Empowa, and yeah, just update on that. So interesting on World Mobile. Let's see. You can check how many holds the World Mobile token asset. For example, through an API like this one, Koios. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Anyways, the current number of staked wallets is 3,852, and the last time I checked this in 15th of January, that was half of this, so it's grown over 100% in less than a month. So that's a very good sign for World Mobile. The wallets are increasing, and it makes sense, of course. It's now more available on the dexes and on the exchanges, and more people are interested in World Mobile. More cool is than just the wallets is the actual use cases. And Andrew from World Mobile, he's updating on Twitter, and he can't get enough of working at the moment. He's loving visiting the air node operators. And for me, this is something that's really cool about World Mobile. You can see the passion in the people working there, and I generally believe that that's one of the reasons I am also interested in World Mobile. It's a great investment case, but it's also really a great case. It's a great case for helping people, for improving lives, and that matters. And in any case, he's basically reporting that they have lots of feedback from the air operators. So if you remember, the air nodes are the ones who will talk to the earth nodes, and the earth nodes will do the more heavier computation, blockchain, and telecoms. But the air nodes are what's connecting the network and the mesh and making everything work. And they usually have some form of wireless internet, and sometimes also including a solar panel and with lights. And Andrew have a ton of competence on solar panel rollouts, and definitely it's so cool to see that they are reporting. This is not a project that's just talking about taxes and boosting numbers. They're on the ground, they're building, and they're reporting from the ground what they're doing. So that's a very good sign to me. If you like War Mobile, you have still had a chance to enter the War Mobile token merch giveaway. There's nothing better than War Mobile merch. I got the Fulham jersey with a World Mobile. So I got one for me and for my daughter and for my son and for my wife, actually. So you can call me a fan of World Mobile. I'm a fan of Ergo. I'm a fan of World Mobile, okay? And I'm, of course, a big supporter of Cardano. Anyways, that's World Mobile. It's the merch is World Mobile hoodies. You have a chance to win just by entering your email, and I guess it's for a few more days. Another cool thing and another cool project I like is Empowa. Empowa, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's empowering the people, and they're using NFTs to basically try to help with host loans currently, and I'm sure more in the future. And in any case, they're actually making you want to join in on the design process. They just released a great design update, and they are inviting people. So if you're interested in this type of project, go for it. I can't think of something that's as meaningful as this type of project. They are cutting, like for example, lending rates in some of the African countries are in the 25% range, like insane lending rates. And if they can just like half that or get it to 1/3, that's another game for the people living there to have houses. And I mean, to put a roof on top of people's head, that's meaningful. So definitely check it out. It's really cool. They're currently having a sale. I believe it's in round 2. I entered round 1, and I'm also a purchaser of Empowa, and I've been a fan of them a long time as well. So that's my short video update for today. I will sometimes do short videos as well, just with small interesting tidbits. And like I said before, I'm still experimenting with these video formats. So let me know what works, if it works with this type of short video updates, if you like the deep dives on research papers, or if you like my updates on the ecosystems like with Ergo. Let me know, and let me know what doesn't work too. I'm trying to improve on this, and yeah, I think it's fun. I'm just trying to pick up different things that is fun to me and meaningful to me. And very good to see that there's a progress on World Mobile. One maybe last tidbit for World Mobile is Mr. Telecom himself, the CEO. He said in the EarthNode operators group that there will be soon, this week probably, there will be new information on the EarthNode operations. That there will be new information coming. We don't know exactly what, but that's also an interesting tidbit. So there might be another video update from me if there's some really cool news, more from World Mobile. Anyways, that's all for me from this time. So see you next time. Bye.